So what is happening right now with price action of Bitcoin? We are aware the price of Bitcoin is finding difficulty to remain above this 29,000 and also break the resistance around this 30,000 to 30,500 range. What kind of scenario could be unfolding and also what to expect next? If you are here to find out, then come on guys, hit that like button before we dive into the content, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now starting here in a bigger time frame, before we talk about this 2B reversal pattern, first let's look at this price action of Bitcoin in a monthly time frame using this ascending channel, because we knew that this ascending channel was a very important support line for Bitcoin. But in our case, this support line has already been broken, because since January 2021 the price of Bitcoin was following this ascending channel, and each and every retracement around this ascending channel, after that we did saw some sort of a really rally type of scenario. But in our case, we are aware guys, the price of Bitcoin has broken the support and clearly heading here towards the downward direction. And now where is this downward movement going to head? Because we knew that according to the Wyckoff, the price of Bitcoin was forming this redistribution phase, and for an actual markup phase, what we need a proper accumulation phase, and then only after this proper accumulation phase we are going to see this new markup phase for Bitcoin. So that's why for us right now, pinpointing the exact bottom is almost impossible, but we can see that the overall trend of market is weakening. Now forget this ascending channel and simply look at this 2B reversal pattern, because according to this 2B reversal pattern, price penetrated the previous high structure here. If you follow this move from A to C, we made higher highs. Unfortunately, we were not able to find a proper support above this previous high. What happened after that? We started declining, seeing this price reversal. And now if we look at this example, we have to focus around this point B area. In our case, the point B area, the support line has already been broken, right? If you look at this carefully, the support line has already been broken, and now according to this 2B pattern, we could be following this continuation pattern here to the downward direction. But it doesn't mean guys, it doesn't mean the price of Bitcoin has to show a movement here in this manner. Please keep this in mind. We could be seeing more of a range bound, even some fake outs on our way before slowly heading here to the downward direction. Because right now, if we look at this price structure in a bit different way guys, in a daily time frame, I have something very interesting to share with you. Now before I switch into other chart, I just want to make you aware that we have up to $8,500 crypto exchange bonus available for our community member in the description down below. So if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then you can see BYBIT is giving around $4,050 bonus and PHEMEX $4,100 after your initial deposit. So take advantage of this free money guys. The link is provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart. So now let's look at this price action in a very simple way using this bearish flag, because according to this bearish flag or bear flag, we are aware the price of Bitcoin in a daily time frame has already lost the support from this ascending channel, because we knew that this ascending channel was a very important line of support, and when we broke below it, the same line acted as a resistance while the price was trying to re-enter above it. Now since we are clearly heading here to the downside, what to expect next? Because if this is going to be a bearish flag playing out, then according to this bearish flag, you can see this is the top. What we can do guys, we can measure the price target in this manner. So if this bearish flag is going to play out, then you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin, this is a very bearish target, could be heading towards this 16,000 area. So this 16,000 here to the downside is going to be the price target from this bear flag. That's why if this is going to be a continuation pattern here to the downside, and also this 200 weekly moving average, you can see both are pointing us the trend direction, right? So this 200 weekly moving average along with this bear flag target or bearish flag target, doesn't matter, this is where we could be slowly getting gravitated here in the upcoming days or months for Bitcoin. Let me show you this one here. Right now around this area, we are forming this falling wedge, and this falling wedge is pointing us that if we do manage to break above this 29,000 here in a medium short term and find a proper support above it, then we could be seeing a movement where we could be getting gravitated towards the top of this falling wedge, because the top of the falling wedge is always considered as a potential price target. If you look at this example here, very simple guys, the first target is definitely going to be the point from where we started. So in our case, around this 32,000, 33,000 is going to be the top of this falling wedge. So this is also considered as our potential upward price target if we find a proper support above it. But if you look at this overall price movement here, you can see this here, right? This here in a whole is actually a very bearish price movement where we have found a scenario here in this manner. So that's why guys, maybe only after that, right? Only after that, we are going to see this actual accumulation phase from Wyckoff and then slowly starting this new markup phase. So that's why if you look at the bigger picture is pointing out, even if we are going to see any sort of a movement here in this manner here in the medium short term, I mean impulsive movement, right? This could still show us a scenario here where we could be getting gravitated towards the 200 and also the target from this bearish flag. So this is what you have to take into consideration. And not just only this guys, if you also look at this scenario here in a very simple way using this Fibonacci extension line, because according to this Fib extension line, we have seen the price of Bitcoin showing a movement here in this manner, more of a dead cat bounce type of scenario. If you follow this retracement, this price movement now is between 0.5 to 0.618 Fibonacci lines. So that's why if we are going to remain below this 29 to 30,000 the whole time, then the golden pocket, the 0.618, is definitely going to be looked as our potential downward target, which is sitting around 25,900 area, right? And if we do, let's say if we do manage to break above this 29,000 here in the medium short term and also find a proper support above it, then this could pull the price towards this 0.5 Fibonacci line, and closing the weekly above this 30,000 is going to indicate the relief rally type of scenario what we are expecting here, because this here in a smaller time frame is a falling wedge, and falling wedge is considered as a bullish scenario. So these are some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.